So how'd you do the last lesson? Did you figure out your why? If not, then stop right now. Don't watch this video yet because this is taking the next step. Stop right now, go back. If you need to go through the video again, do that. Take the time, write it out, get in your phone, whatever. Get your why straight before moving on to this lesson. Now, having said that, if you're all set to go, then here we go. Let's go.
If lesson 1 was about your reason for starting, this one is all about what keeps the fire burning. Let's talk about the music itself. A lot of players say they want to learn guitar, but they've never really stopped to ask, what kind of music moves me so much that I can't help but want to play it? That question matters a lot. Because when you know the kind of music that lights you up, you'll know what songs to learn, what tone to chase, and what kind of guitarist you want to become. You'll stop wasting time on stuff that doesn't excite you, and you'll start building a practice routine around the sound that inspires you. Think back to that moment when a song just grabbed you. Maybe it was a riff that hit you like a punch in the chest. Maybe it was a solo that felt like it lifted you right out of your chair. That feeling, that's the fuel we're after. Because here's the truth. If you only practice what you think you should do, scales, drills, exercises, you'll burn out. But if you build your journey around the stuff that gives you chills, you'll keep coming back for more. So let's dig in. Reflection exercise. Grab a notebook, open a doc, or even hit record on your phone. I want you to go through these 4 questions one by one. Don't overthink it, just be honest. 1. Your spark. What songs, bands, or riffs instantly make you want to pick up a guitar? 2. Your emotion. Let's go deep. When that music hits you, what exactly do you feel? Do you feel unstoppable? Like you could take on the world? Do you feel free, like the music gives you an escape from everything else? Do you feel connected, like the song says the words you couldn't? Or maybe you feel nostalgic, like the track takes you back to a time or place you don't want to lose. Don't just write down happy or pumped up. Write the story of that emotion. For example, when I hear the opening riff to Sweet Emotion, I feel 16 again, cruising with the windows down, like life's wide open. That's the kind of detail I want you to capture, because those feelings are the fuel you're chasing every time you pick up your guitar. 3. Your moments. Can you remember a specific time, a concert, a video, or even just sitting in your room when you felt that spark? Write it down. Those moments matter. 4. Your sound. What guitar tones or styles give you goosebumps? Crunchy riffs, clean strumming, soaring leads? This helps shape the kind of player you're becoming. Action steps. Once you've gone through those 4, I want you to highlight your top 3 from each. Throw them into a Spotify or YouTube playlist so you can play them anytime you need motivation. So here's the deal. Your guitar journey isn't about grinding through endless exercises. It's about chasing that feeling, that punch in the chest, that lift you out of your chair moment, that deep connection you can't put into words. That's what lights you up. And from here on out, we're going to build your path around it.